It's updating. Let's go. Oh my god. This is life, guys. Well, I guess I'm going to see Isabel tell me nothing happened again today. It is still... Oh, come on. Hi, Isabel. I totally forgot my island name is Leisure. Yeah. That's all? You don't have anything to say to me? I'm still wearing the... what is that? The swimming suit. Oh my god, I missed this game. Well, let's check the mail first. It's from my girlfriend. Artha is my girlfriend character in this game. And her island name is Elysia. It sounds way better than Leisure. What kind of island name is that? Leisure. Yeah, let's travel around the world when the COVID goes down. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, let's change my clothes first. Ah. Alright, so let's change to something more. Yeah, this. Alright. Let's first check my house. King cockroach. Can I catch it? Oh no. He's dead. Ah, there. So this is the main room, I guess. The guest room. I barely decorate my house. Really. I have so many insects. Well, anyway, let's move on. Right, this is my music room. I actually put some effort in here. Like, alright, it looks not bad, right? Now you can sit on here. How? Yeah. Then you can play some music. Right. And I was planning to put more music in this left side of walls, but yeah, I stopped playing, so it is how it is. Let's go. Alright, the next room will be here. This is my turnip storage place. This is where I normally put my turnip. Oh no, never mind, it's my bedroom. Cockroach! Alright, this is my bedroom. Fun fact is, I made it, the layout of the decoration, I made it similar to the room that I'm currently having. Which I have a bed over here, then I have a tissue box over here. Don't ask why I have a tissue box over there. And I have a, what do you call that? Water dispenser? No. Air purifier, yes. And I have a table over here. And my closet. Oh yeah, let me change my closet. Alright, we'll just change to this. Alright, next is downstairs. A playground. Like over here, cockroach. Come on, go die. Alright. I have an idea to make a playroom over here, but I still have not enough decoration to put. But it looks not bad. Alright, next we'll go to the upper floor. Upstairs. Upstairs is where I put all my kitchen stuff. This is my kitchen. There's another cockroach. Why so many cockroaches over my house? Go die. Okay. So you see, I put a lot of effort in here. That I have an idea that I have a wooden kitchen and a dining table over here, and all the iron furniture over here. I really like the look of this kitchen. Right, next. So next I'll be showing you around my houses. So on the right side over here is my crafting table, crafting side. I just put some random materials over here, like some wood, some stone. So whenever I ran out of material, I'll just grab some, and then so I can craft it here. Next will be below here. This is my entrance to my house, and I gave up. I gave up on breeding flower. I have no idea how to breed it, so I just give it up. Next, to the right hand side over here, this is my offspring of my breeding flower. I don't have any place to put them, so I just leave it here. Up here will be my Zen garden. You know, everyone have their own Zen garden, and this is my version. There's a onsen over here, some bamboo filling, some vending machine after you taking the onsen. Alright, going down. Next will be going out to my airport entrance. But before that, I did not put anything yet. I mean, I haven't started to decorate my beach, so my beach is probably look very empty. Alright, to the right hand side, this is my entrance. That's Miranda. Hi Miranda. So it is 11 month. Alright, so this is my airport. So every time my friend come visit me, they will go through this entrance, and then they will see this welcome. And after that, there's a very cute teacup, very pink. Alright, and after this, you can go up here to get some free DIY. Go to the right side, it will be my campsite down here. A very simple campsite, some table for them, and barbecue site. A pond for them to fishing. And up here will be my museum, the entrance of the museum. I randomly put some fossil behind my museum, so whenever they pan the camera like this, they will see, I know, some fossils behind. It looks quite nice, I think. Alright, let's go to the right side here. Oh, there's Mitch doing her fitness thing. Alright, here will be Nox Training. I just put some random stuff outside, so they felt like an actual store. It look like this. Yeah. Hi Miranda again. Oh, by the way, the idea of my island is I want to make the road is interconnected. So everywhere you walk is always connected to somewhere. So maybe also that's why my island feels so grounded and boring. Anyway, let's continue to the right hand side. Here will be Abel's sister. Alright, again a random cloth outside to let them look like an actual stores. Alright. And to the right side will be beach. Right. Again, I only put some. I haven't decorated my beach, so yeah. Alright, let's go up from here. And here will be my neighbor houses. So the idea of my neighbor is I put them two neighbor in one space, so they have a space for them, and I'll put some decoration outside depending on their personalities. But I think I gave them too much space, and that's why my island feel like kinda nothing really happening. But yeah, this is two houses of my neighbor. Then go up from here will be another two neighbor. I think this will be Coach and Roald. So yeah, I give them some fitness stuff. So go up from here. Oh no, Felicity is calling me. Alright. Alright. This is my stone garden or something where you farm stone. Alright, let's go up from here. It will be my park. You know, like a small park. You have a vending machine over here. You can sit down. Yeah. To the next here will be my, again, neighbor houses. I haven't started to decorate some of the houses right here. And to the left side, another two neighbor. And to the left, another two neighbor houses. So yeah, I think I gave them too much space. You know, nothing really happening, but it's very peaceful island. That is what I had in my mind. Oh yeah, I haven't shown you my town hall. Go down here will be my, yeah, this is town hall. Alright, on here will be a cafe, a Starbucks cafe. There's a tanuki who's selling the coffee. And this is the entrance. As you can see, down there is Nox Training. Again, I make my island interconnected as much as possible. So you can go to the left hand side here, then go up from here, go up from here, and even here. Alright, and go down. Yeah, it's super grounded. Yeah, nothing really happening. Right, on the upper side here is, oh there is my proof of 5-star island. I only got one, so yeah. Wow, today moon is so bright. So this is my stargazing place. So whenever I had a meteor shower, I'll just ask my friend to come visit here. And then we just sit down or stand and wish whenever I have a meteor shower. Yeah, I missed that time. I just put some slow music over here and let them enjoy the stay. It's nice. It's quite nice. Alright, over here the decoration, some of it my girlfriend gave it to me, like this moon and this astronaut suit, which I don't have. And down here will be Minigames that I made to play with my game whenever they come visit me. So the basic of the game is very simple. Whenever they spin, whoever bets on the correct number, they win. If they win, I pay the money. If they lose, I took back the money. For example, if someone put the money over here and it spins to 3, so they win, right? So I need to pay them money. Yeah, that's about it. And right here goes down to my beach. Again, haven't done anything with them because I already stopped playing that time. Oh, right, then go up. There's a small road over here, small cliff that will take me back to my Zen garden. So like I said, everything is interconnected. So yeah, that's about it, I think. So yeah, that is my island tours, I guess. Thank you guys for watching.